To prepare for the installation, you will need an assistant, 2 spray bottles, a microfiber cloth, isopropyl alcohol, hairdryer or heat gun, soap solution concentrate, and a squeegee. Mix the soap solution concentrate with 15 to 20 ounces of water in a spray bottle and shake it well. In the second spray bottle, mix 1 part isopropyl alcohol to 9 parts water and shake it well. Choose a garage or a calm day with no wind for installation to prevent debris from getting trapped under the film. Wash your hands thoroughly and ensure the bumper is cool to the touch. Clean the bumper to remove all dust and particles. Using the soap solution, spray the bumper surface, your hands, and the assistant's hands to ensure everything is wet. Have your assistant slowly pull the paint protection film while you unroll the other end. Peel the film from the backing sheet in 2 to 3 foot increments, spraying the adhesive side with soap solution as you go. Your assistant should peel back the backing sheet while you continue spraying the film. Hold the film securely to avoid dropping it, and remember to keep the backing sheet as it contains the circular film for the tow hook cover. If the bumper dries, spray it again with soap solution. Lay the film onto the bumper and gently wrap it around until it adheres lightly. Align the circular cutout to the tow hook cover and to the top edge of the bumper, leaving a 1 mm gap from the top. Squeegee the area around the tow hook cover first, removing all liquid. The film should adhere to the bumper once most of the liquid is removed. The bottom of the film should then align with the bottom edge. Spray the surface with soap solution as needed to help the squeegee glide. Next, align the front flat area, leaving a 1 mm gap at the top edge, and squeegee out all liquid. If you find debris, peel the film back, remove it, reapply soap solution, and squeegee the film back into place. Moving to the driver's side, peel back the film and apply more soap solution to the adhesive. Align the bottom of the film with the top of the fog light. Make sure to leave a 1 mm gap above the fog light. Squeegee out the liquid until the film stays in place. Adhere the film in a sweeping motion towards the wheel. At the end of the fog light, there is a raised section, and you will need to use the isopropyl alcohol to water solution. Use the hairdryer or heat gun as well if this area is still lifting. Heat the area and press firmly with a microfiber cloth for 5 to 10 seconds for the film to adhere. Repeat this process on the passenger side. Make sure to wet your hands before touching the adhesive side of the film. Make sure to leave a 1 mm gap above the fog light. Adhere the film in a sweeping motion towards the wheel. Use the isopropyl alcohol to water solution to adhere the film to the raised section of the fog light. Use the hairdryer or heat gun if necessary. Next, wipe the entire area dry with a microfiber cloth. Check for any trapped liquids or air bubbles and remove them with the squeegee. Finally, peel the circular tow hook cover film from the backing sheet and use the isopropyl alcohol to water solution to adhere it. Squeegee out the excess liquid underneath and you are done. Wait at least 2 hours, preferably overnight, before driving to allow the adhesive to set fully. Your front bumper is now ready to take on an army of projectile rocks. Thank you for your purchase, and feel free to contact us with any questions.